Hey there, all you D enthusiasts and power tool lovers. Today, we're taking a look at the cordless polisher, a must-have for anyone looking to take their projects to the next level. This bad boy is a game changer when it comes to power tools, featuring a sleek and compact design that allows for easy maneuverability and control. Plus, with no battery included, you can use your existing Milwaukee batteries to power this bad boy up. Crafted in China by the trusted manufacturer Milwaukee, you can be sure this polisher is built to last. The package dimensions of 7.87 liters x 7.08 watts x 2.45 h make it the perfect size for on-the-go projects or compact workspaces. So, if you're ready to take your polishing game to new heights, make sure to check out the cordless polisher. Just click the link in the description to grab yours today and start kicking butt on all your DE projects. Don't miss out on this power tool essential. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tool reviews and tutorials. Happy tinkering, folks.